Soft closer for the top hung system. Soft closer set includes one soft closer, one trigger, one pin. The minimum width of the door for installing one soft closer is 600 mm. The minimum width of the door for installing two soft closers is 900 mm. For installing the top hung system with a synchronously opening mechanism and a total weight of doors less than 80 kg, use one soft closer for closing or opening. If the doors weigh more than 80 kg, use two soft closers. Mark the location for the soft closer's trigger in the top track. Drill 2 holes into the track. The mark for the location of the trigger should be between these 2 holes. Connect the top roller with the soft closer using the pin. Install the trigger in the designated groove of the top track before marking. Install accessories inside the top track. Mount the track onto the wall or ceiling. Hang the door and adjust its position. Link to the relevant installation video in the description below. Move the soft closer until you hear the characteristic click. Activate it and close the door. Adjust the position of the trigger and secure it with the Heck Allen key. The positioner that is located at the same side of the soft closer is fixed at a distance from the roller. Therefore, it doesn't interfere with the operation of the soft closer. Link to the relevant installation video in the description below. If the door is supposed to close on the left side, then the soft closer is installed on the left. If the door is supposed to close on the right side, then the soft closer is installed on the right. Select the correct speed of the soft closer by moving the spring retainer into any suitable position. Forced closing of the door and attempts to speed up the work of the soft closer are not recommended. Avoid sudden movements and jolts during the door opening. You should also not hold or slow down the door in the soft closing process. This reduces the lifespan of the mechanism. We strongly advise you not to hang on the door and not to ride on it. This would increase the total weight of the door and the load in the soft closer significantly and will cause damage.